Hello, my name is Jinky May, 26 years of age. I am single. I went to college and took a Bachelor of Science in Biology at the Central Bicol State University of Agriculture. Did not finish due to pandemic. I have a local experience for 2 years. I took care of a 9-year-old girl, helped her with her assignment, and prepare everything before taking her to school. I also help clean the house, cook Filipino food, doing the laundry, and sometimes accompanying them to the grocery store. I am confident to say that I am honest, trustworthy, hardworking, dedicated, and will be devoted to my work. If you hire me, I will help you running the house and provide you the quality of service you deserve. I also promise to obey the house rules and treat you with respect. I am hoping for you to like me as your housemate. Thank you.